goodbye to the dust bag hassle and enjoy all the essential features of a traditional vacuum cleaner with some added extras. This Tesla bagless vacuum has been optimized on various levels for a superior clean and more enjoyable experience. For instance, put your ears at ease, knowing you'll now have a quieter vacuum cleaner that with its cyclonic technology provides superior suction with reduced noise, removing dust from floors, furniture and other surfaces with ease and stealth. Also, get a kick out of watching the mounting particles collect in its see-through compartment and empty when you notice it's reaching its holding capacity. There's also an antibacterial washable HEPA filter that collects large and fine dust particles without clogging. Simply use, wash, and reuse. Relatively small and compact with a long power cable, expect easy maneuverability around corners and small spaces. Quiet and powerful suction, bagless, easy maintenance and maneuverability. Everything you want in a great vacuum cleaner.